Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to see the 100x zoom on your camera screen. So on your camera app here, you can see these different level of zooms, 1x, 2x, 3x, 5x, and 10x. However, you can go ahead and add this 100x zoom, which is right here, which I've already turned on. So if you see on your phone, you won't see this 100x zoom. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the 4 dots, then tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find camera assistance. From here, you want to go ahead and find the zoom shortcuts. Tap on this, and here you want to go ahead and turn on the 100x zoom shortcut. Now go back, and then you'll see your 100x zoom, which will appear right here. So this is a one tap 100x zoom. Instead of you pinching back and forth, you can just go ahead and tap on 100x. And this way you can track your subject more accurately, especially useful for distant wildlife or moonshots in the sky. So there you go guys, that's how to show the 100x zoom on your camera screen for your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.